Welcome back, everyone. Today we're getting a little fruity and a little nutty. Today we're making the fruit and nut cocktail. To start off this cocktail, you're going to use 2 to 3 dashes of chocolate bitters. Now, remember, mine is a smaller bitter bottle, so I'm going to actually use 6. I like chocolate. All right, we're going to use half an ounce of egg white, half an ounce of blueberry syrup, half an ounce of hazelnut liqueur, 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice, and then lastly, please hold, 2 ounces of your favorite brand of gin.
Just enough.
Just enough. Let me go.
Accurate measurements.
Accurate measurements. See, this is why it's important. Okay. Because of the egg white, we are going to emulsify the egg. So we're going to do a dry shake first. Gorgeous. Now, bottom shaker tin, we're going to add ice. Ooh. Dropping things. I'm going to add ice just to chill the cocktail down, so you don't have to shake quite as long on this second shake. Ooh. Oh, I have no strength left. Now, I'm going to use my sour glass. You can use a coupe glass if you choose to, but I like my pretty sour glass. We are going to double strain because of 2 reasons. Lemon juice, and we're serving it up. So pretty. Okay. For our garnish, a very crispified. Woo.
That was aggressive.
That was aggressive. It stuck to my finger. A dehydrated lemon wheel. And there we have our fruit and nut cocktail. So pretty. Okay. I'm going to taste. I'm going to give you my accurate and honest, whatever, opinion. 1, I would have 1 cocktail and move on to the next. 5, I could drink it all night and hate myself in the morning. Of course, with this lovely garnish, all I smell is dehydrated lemon. What is yummy? Okay. You taste a lot of blueberry. I get a little bit of hazelnut on the back end. Don't really taste the gin all that much, to be honest with you. Granted, remember, I prefer a more New World gin, so mine's not super junipery. But this is a very easy cocktail. It's got that nice creamy frothiness coming from the egg white. I think I'm going to have to give this one a 4.5 out of 5. 4.5 out of 5 for me. Very drinkable, delicious, gorgeous flavor. Not too sweet, not too tart. It's just perfectly balanced. I really, really like this cocktail. Of course, ingredients are going to be listed down below. That way you can make the cocktail at home. And if you do, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what your thoughts are, and I will see you in the next pour. Cheers!